Integration of robotics into daily operations is the future. At Percepto, we're fast-forwarding you there with our remote inspection solution powered by robots. From autonomous drones delivering an aerial view of your site, to ground robots opening up new inspection routes, integration of robots into your daily workflow is now amazingly simple. With Percepto AIM, the solution that fully automates everything from collection to insights. Percepto, the future of autonomous inspection and monitoring, is here.